I decided to redo my bee yard this year, and I came up with this system of 2 long rails bolted down 16.5 inches apart total width, so that I could set my hives anywhere along the rails. What I got into last year was I did a lot of splits, and I tried different things, and I had some 8-frame equipment, some 10-frame equipment, some nukes, and some other queen castles, and each one took a different size base or stand. So I came up with this system. And I have competition from a frog here. So everything's made out of scrap. It was dunnage from pipe shipments. It's pallet parts and stuff. And you can see my hives over here. I'm going to move those over tomorrow morning. Get them all on the rail.
Each of the side rails are made up of 3 individual 4x4s that are held together with a lap joint and a 1/2-inch carriage bolt through the joint to hold it in place. This turned out to be very strong. It resists twisting and supports the load evenly along the rail. Because my support posts don't go down into the ground very far, I found it was a little bit too shaky for my liking, so I hammered in 18-inch long redwood stakes at each vertical support post along the front side of the stand.
So it feels really solid now. Should handle all the hives I can put on here. Each of the rails is attached to the support, the vertical support, the post you call it, with a 5/16 inch by 4.5-inch long bolt. That, when I put those in, that really made a difference. I have 2x4 spacers between with toe-nailed screws on top and bottom. The vertical posts that are in the ground are only in the ground about 3 inches. I didn't need to go real deep. when I move my hives, I take plumber strap. Comes in a roll, and I cut it into the length I need and take a couple of short screws and screw it in to hold the two boxes together. In this case, the box to the bottom board. I use short screws like this so they don't go all the way into the inner box.